Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video we learn about how to solve the example by using standard identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you want to see the solution directly, then skip for the next 30 to 40 seconds and forward it. Now look at the example. We have to first check which example is solved by the first, second and third identity. So look at x plus 3 into x plus 3 means x plus 3 whole square, and by observing it we see that clearly this example is solved by the first identity. Then 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5, so 2y plus 5 whole square, so it is also solved by the first identity. 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7, which gives 2a minus 7 whole square, and which is solved by the second one identity, because there are two terms 2a and 7 and it is separated by minus sign, so a minus b is there and bracket square. Similarly, fourth is also solved by the second, and we observe that fifth one is solved by the a plus b into a minus b, and fourth one is solved by also third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now let us look how to solve the example by using it. First example is x plus 3 into x plus 3, and that is equal to x plus 3 whole square. The identity is applicable is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we have to compare x plus 3 whole square with a plus b whole square, and we found that value of a is equal to x and b is equal to 3 in given example. So which is equal to, so applicable is here, so it is a square, that means x square plus 2 times x, that is a, into b, that is 3, plus 3 square, and then you get x square plus 2 into 3 6 and x as it is, and then plus 3 square means 9, and here we have to write the reason in the same step where we apply the identity. Similarly, we have to solve the next problem. 2y plus 5 multiplied by 2y plus 5, which is equal to 2y plus 5 whole square, and here we clearly see that when we comparing 2y plus 5 whole square with a plus b whole square, we get value of a is 2y and b is 5, and now applying the identity, so a square, that means 2y square plus 2 times of a, that is 2y, multiplied by b, which is 5, plus b square, that is 5 square, and 2y square. When we are taking the square root of 2y whole bracket square, तो यहाँ पे जो भी फैक्टर्स है 2 और y, इनका स्क्वायर लेंगे, तो 2 का स्क्वायर होता है 4, y का स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर, प्लस 2 इंटू 2 4 and 4 into 5, which is equal to 20, and y as it is, plus 5 square, which is 25. Now let us solve the next two example. Here the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is applicable. So 2a minus 7 multiplied by 2a minus 7, which is equal to 2a minus 7 whole square. Now compare with this identity, and we got value of a is 2a here and value of b is 7. Now by applying identity, you get 2a whole square minus 2 times of a, that is here 2a, multiplied by b, which is 7, plus 7 square, then 2a square. जब भी हम स्क्वायर ले रहे हैं ब्रैकेट का और टर्म में, मोर देन वन फैक्टर है तो एक अल्जेब्रिक फैक्टर हुआ तो इसका स्क्वायर होगा ए स्क्वायर, और जो न्यूमेरिकल नंबर है 2 उसका सेपरेट स्क्वायर निकालने के बाद क्या मिलता है 2 का स्क्वायर 4, तो 4a स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 2 इंटू 2 4 and 4 7s are 28, an algebraic factor as it is, plus 7 square which is 49. Similarly we can solve the next problem, and which is 3a minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3a minus 1 upon 3 which is equal to 3a minus 1 upon 3 whole square. Now comparing with this, and we got a is equal to 3a here and b is equal to 1 upon 3. Now simply substitute the values and apply the identities. Here in place of a we have to put 3a whole square minus 2 times of 3a multiplied by b which is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 whole square. 3 square is 9, a square is a square, minus 2 into 3 6 and 6 into 1 upon 3 you get 2. You have to simply solve 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and you get 2 times of a in that way also. So 2a plus 1 upon 3 whole square. अब इसे आपको सेपरेट सॉल्व करना है तो सेपरेट कीजिए, अदरवाइज 1 upon 3 whole square means in rough you can solve it if you have less practice and you get 1 upon 9 because numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, plus 1 upon 9. Now let us look the another two example. Here we clearly see that identity a plus b into a minus is applicable. So you have question that in the first term there is a minus and in the second multiplication is a commutative. So a plus b into a minus b means a minus b into a plus b, both are equal and that is equal to a square minus b square. So that's why this identity is applicable here. So now we have compare here and we find that value of a is 1.1 m and which is equal to 1.1 m whole square minus value of b is 0.4 तो 0.4 square. So 1.1 square तो 11 का स्क्वायर सभी को पता है 121 होता है. सो 1.1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.1 तो यहाँ पे एक डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद तो यहाँ पे पॉइंट है तो 1, यहाँ पे भी 1, तो आंसर को कितने डेसिमल के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट देने पड़ेंगे, कितने नंबर्स के बाद, तो यहाँ पे 2 डेसिमल के बाद तो 1 और 2, दैट्स वाई 1.21 m का स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर. वैसे 4 का स्क्वायर 16 होता है, 2 डेसिमल के बाद आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करना है तो इसलिए इसका आंसर 0.16 माइनस 0.16. Second one, so here identity is not applicable directly, so look at, we have to rearrange it. So b square plus a square you can write, and then here we have write here b square, and when you write here this sign you have to carry with a square, so it is b square minus a square. And now here value of a is b square and value of b is a square. Now apply the identity, so b raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. So we know the laws of exponent and we have to apply here, and which is b raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 means b raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2, and which gives b raised to the power 4 and a raised to the power 4. So b raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4 is our final answer. I hope all of you understand it. So if you like it, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And for next some problems, wait for the next video. It will be uploaded. Thank you.